Wesley. Once again, and I keep saying this again and again. Yeah, that's why I play cuddlers inside. I do it even when I'm sitting down, and the reason is so I can hide my horns that I have growing. If you look the same as me, then if you're watching what you eat, you must be hanging out with one of them. Don't do that. We just walk up and say what we need, and that's the business. If you don't look like me and your tan is a slight darker, you should be pushing things, and you're allowed to make those noises. That is all. Good day. Cable.